10 delicious plant-based recipes for healthy and tasty meals. Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a culinary adventure to explore 10 delicious plant-based recipes that will not only satisfy your taste buds but also keep you healthy. So, whether you're a committed vegan, vegetarian, or just someone looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chickpea and sweet potato curry host. First up, we have a mouth-watering chickpea and sweet potato curry. This recipe is packed with flavor and nutrients, and it's perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. Here's what you'll need. Simply sauté the onions and garlic. Add your spices, then mix in the sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and coconut milk. Simmer for about 25 minutes, and you're done. Serve over rice and garnish with fresh cilantro. Number 2. Veggie sushi rolls. Next, let's make some colorful and tasty veggie sushi rolls. You'll need sushi rice, nori sheets, and an assortment of veggies like cucumber, avocado, and carrots. Cook the rice, and while it's cooling down, slice your veggies into thin strips. Once the rice is ready, lay out your nori sheet. Spread the rice, and arrange your veggies before rolling tightly. Slice your roll into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Number 3. Mediterranean quinoa salad. For a refreshing and filling meal, try our Mediterranean quinoa salad. It's loaded with vegetables, protein-rich quinoa, and a zesty dressing. Cook the quinoa and let it cool. Then chop your vegetables and mix them in a large bowl. Combine the dressing ingredients and pour over the salad. Toss everything together and enjoy. Number 4. Cauliflower buffalo wings. Satisfy your cravings for something spicy with these cauliflower buffalo wings. A perfect appetizer or game day snack. Cut the cauliflower into florets. Coat them in batter, and bake until crispy. Then, toss in buffalo sauce and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Serve with vegan ranch or blue cheese dressing and enjoy. Number 5. One-pot lentil chili. For a hearty and protein-packed meal, try this one-pot lentil chili. It's easy to make and perfect for meal prep. Sauté the onions and garlic. Then add the lentils, spices, tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Simmer until the lentils are tender. Then stir in the corn and black beans. Serve with a side of cornbread or rice. Number 6. Creamy spinach and artichoke pasta. Who doesn't love a good pasta dish? This creamy spinach and artichoke pasta is a flavorful and satisfying meal. Cook your pasta, and while it's boiling, sauté your spinach, artichokes, and garlic. Combine the sauce ingredients and pour over the vegetables. Stir in the cooked pasta and garnish with vegan parmesan and crushed red pepper. Number 7. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Get your daily dose of veggies with this scrumptious vegetable stir-fry with tofu. It's customizable and perfect for busy weeknights. Cube and press your tofu, then pan-fry until golden. Remove from the pan and sauté your choice of veggies. Mix in your favorite stir-fry sauce and add the tofu back into the pan. Cook until heated through and serve over rice or noodles. Number 8. Smoky black bean burgers. These smoky black bean burgers are full of flavor and make a delicious plant-based alternative to traditional burgers. Mash your black beans. Then mix with sautéed onions, garlic, spices, and breadcrumbs. Form into patties and bake or pan-fry until cooked through. Serve on a bun with your favorite toppings and a side of oven-baked fries. Number 9. Lentil and mushroom stroganoff. Our 9th recipe is a rich and creamy lentil and mushroom stroganoff. Perfect for a comforting meal at the end of a long day. Sauté the onions, garlic, mushrooms, and lentils. Then add vegetable broth and cook until the lentils are tender. Stir in a mixture of vegan sour cream and Dijon mustard. Then serve over pasta or rice with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Number 10. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and black beans. Finally, we have a colorful and nutritious dish, stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and black beans. A great option for dinner parties or meal prep. Cook your quinoa and mix it with black beans, corn, tomatoes, and spices. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture and bake until the peppers are tender. Top with avocado, salsa, and a drizzle of lime juice before serving. There you have it, 10 delicious plant-based recipes that are perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this video. And we can't wait to hear which recipes you tried and loved. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest food adventures. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!